guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marie and I'm so glad that you clicked on today's video. Today I will be presenting you 10 healthy food swaps that you can do if you are on a weight loss journey, or if you're just trying to live a healthier lifestyle. This is really the video for you. I have picked the 10 things that help me out with my weight loss journey the most. These are things that I use every single week without a doubt, and of course they are so easy to do. This is not the video where I will be telling you to replace buns with lettuce when you're having a hamburger, or I won't be telling you to have, zucchini noodles instead of spaghetti. That's not so, beginner friendly. These are 10 things that are so easy to do. I think, of course, it's always important to start slow when you are trying to live a healthier lifestyle. So yeah, I'm sure these 10 things will definitely help you out with that. If you're excited for this video, give it a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel to see all my future videos, and hit that little bell so you are notified every time I do upload. I do upload twice a week on Mondays and on Thursdays, and I make so many videos all on health and wellness. So if you want to see what are the 10 healthy food swaps that I have to share with you today, then just go ahead and keep on watching. The first thing I had to share with you was definitely something that involved chocolate, because if you have a big sweet tooth like I do, that is something that I definitely struggled with the most, is when trying to lose weight. You are on a caloric deficit and all that, and then when you're craving something sweet after lunch, after supper, that is just your biggest enemy. So what I did that helped me out a lot with that is I actually got organic cacao nibs. I didn't know this, but cacao is a superfood. It has just a ton of antioxidants and just so many other healthy benefits. If you look at the ingredients of this, it is literally certified organic cocoa nibs, and that is it. So you're going to get that chocolatey taste. Of course, there isn't a bunch of sugar in here, so it won't be that sweet milk chocolate, but you can definitely put this into your oatmeal, or you can have it as a little snack. Even if you are having cereal one morning for breakfast, go ahead and throw in some cacao nibs. This is a superfood, so you can get that chocolate taste and satisfy that sweet craving you have, but not consume so many calories because you had milk chocolate. All of these items that I have to share with you today are so easily found at your local grocery store. I will of course try to find them on Amazon for you guys, and I'll link them down below in my description box if you're interested. Still staying in this little sweet category, are you someone that likes sugar in your coffee? I know a lot of people do. I actually personally don't. I only like to put a little bit of milk into my coffee, but one thing I do love is also putting some cinnamon in my coffee. In case you didn't know, cinnamon is so healthy for you. It has, once again, so many antioxidants. It helps boost your metabolism. It has anti-inflammatory properties, and also replacing sugar with this, because this will also give your coffee that sweet, warm taste without having sugar in it. Like I said, it's important to go slow when you're trying to lose weight or live a healthier lifestyle. So I think this is something that you can just easily replace in the morning, and that I'm sure you'll love. Not only will you get all the healthy benefits, but it actually just tastes amazing, and especially during this time of year, cinnamon is just something that I put everywhere. Alrighty, so the last sweet product that I have to share with you is actually how to make fruit jam. So every single morning I always have a fruit smoothie. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know, because I do post it on my stories every morning, and I share with you the recipe that I'm using that day. So the reason why I'm telling you this is because I always have frozen fruit on hand, and that comes so in handy to make some healthy jam. I personally love jam. I have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich every single week, I would say, but jam can be very high in calories because companies will tend to put a lot of sugar in it to make it sweet. So what I like to do is actually take my choice of frozen fruit. Some week I'll have frozen blueberries. This week I have frozen strawberries, which actually is my favorite one out of them all. So all you need to do is just cut them up, put them in the microwave for about a minute or even more, give it a stir, and you'll see how these will melt and their juices will come out. And there you will have a healthy jam that is so quick to make, There is no sugar. Now this is just a little bonus tip. I was debating putting it in here because liquid stevia isn't the healthiest for you, but if you're like me and you will just use it every couple of weeks, then I definitely do recommend it because it will help you out a ton in your weight loss journey. Liquid stevia is sweet and it has 0 calories. So what I will do is sometimes after I have microwaved my fruit, I will just add in 1 drop of this in here and stir it up, and that will just make it even sweeter and even more delicious. But honestly, I don't even do it all the time. It just depends how much I am craving, you know, something sweet. But yeah, if you're someone that loves jam, I would definitely recommend trying this out. I'm sure you will love it. The next thing I have to share with you, I am so excited about. I have been doing this for the last couple of months. I only heard about this this past summer, and that is to make oat flour. Every time I bake, I always use white all-purpose flour, but of course I think that is something we all know isn't the best for you. I have tried almond flour, and personally it is just not my favorite. There are so many different flours out there. There is coconut flour, almond flour, and the one that I have found that I love the most is actually the most affordable and the easiest to make because I make it at home. So what I do is actually get large flaked oats, and all you need to do is put these in your blender and let them blend until they get very softly milled. I'll just put it into a little container here, and there you have flour that is healthy for you, and it's just so easy to use. This is just one of my favorite tricks, and I wish I could just like scream it out to the world because not enough people know about this, and I think everyone needs to. Of course, oats have so many healthy benefits for you, so not only will you be getting, you know, the flour that you need, but you'll get those healthy benefits as well. So it's just a win-win situation. And yeah, I wish everyone knew about this. You definitely have to try this out. Next, let's talk about oil, because oil is something that absolutely everyone has. There is not one person in this world that doesn't have oil in my pantry. Am I right? And I can't believe how much people always, you know, right away tend to use vegetable oil, but it is not the healthiest. So that's why I recommend switching out your vegetable oil with either olive oil, or I have here organic coconut oil. Olive oil is part of the Mediterranean diet and has so many healthy benefits. It has been proven that eating a Mediterranean diet will help prevent Alzheimer's disease. And of course, just oil in general, no matter the one that you do use, is a healthy fat. So you don't want to stop using oil entirely because it does have healthy benefits for you. So my healthy swap here is to really avoid using that vegetable oil and try using these two. Coconuts are amazing for you. They have just so many healthy benefits. It also tastes amazing. I put coconut everywhere. I have coconut shavings. I have toasted coconut shavings. I just absolutely love the taste of coconut. So it is really not hard to use this at all. Even when baking, of course, when baking, you know, you always need some unsalted butter. Replace that with some coconut oil. Also, another little thing about oil is, like I explained, you don't want to take out oil completely from your diet because it has so many healthy fats for you that are so important. They will give you energy, and just you need healthy fats into your diet every single day. Now, what I like to do, and that I find has really helped me out with my weight loss journey, is actually getting some spray oils. When I know during the day that I will already be having some healthy fats later on, I don't need to consume too much of it because it can be very high in calories. So what I like to do, let's say when I'm frying an egg, is actually use spray oil. So I do have olive oil right there, and here I have the coconut spray oil to show you. This has very few calories. For half a spray, it's 4 calories. So let's say I put 1 full spray, I'm getting 8 calories. Maybe this, once again, just like the liquid stevia, isn't the healthiest option for you, but if you'll be using it like me every couple of weeks, I think this won't harm you at all and will just help you out with your weight loss journey. So I definitely think that you should get this into your pantry. Next, let's talk about something that was new to me, and I only figured this out about a year ago. I feel like I've been lied to my whole life, but maybe it's just me, but did you know that mustard has 0 calories? I repeat, 0. I don't know, I feel like I'm the only one in the world who didn't know this, but anytime I make a sandwich, let's say a tuna sandwich, a chicken sandwich, whatever it may be, I always like to put some mayo in my sandwich, right? Who doesn't love mayo in a sandwich? Try replacing that with 0-calorie mustard, and that just saves you on a ton of calories. There's honestly not much to say on this. I thought I would just share it because I feel like it's not something that everyone knows about. Once again, it might just be me. We have 2 more things to talk about, and the 2 last things I want to share are some of my favorites, and I really do this honestly almost every single day, and that is 2 different drinks that I want to show you. In my weight loss journey and just living a healthier lifestyle, I have personally cut out all drinks that have calories. So I don't drink any juices, I don't drink any soda, Sprite, name it. I just drink water all day long. But of course, sometimes you do want something that is very flavorful. So I have 2 drinks to share with you today that are 0 calories and that are just amazing. First of all, if you're like me and love lemons, I also love drinking lemonade. But once again, there is so much sugar in lemonade, you guys. Once you start to have more knowledge on health and you start to see what really is in foods that, you know, we buy at the grocery store and we don't really pay attention to what's in there, but once you start to really educate yourself on these things, it'll really freak you out to see how much sugar and fat and all those bad things are in the foods that we consume daily. So I have already showed you this on Instagram and here on my channel, that how I like to make my homemade lemonade. What I will do is, of course, take 1 lemon. You have to wash this before doing it, so of course wash it, cut up half of it and squeeze half of the lemon into your mason jar, and then the other half you'll cut it up into slices and put it in there and fill it up with water. Once again, you can put just a couple drops of this liquid stevia if you do find it too sour and want it to be a little sweet. I personally just love the most natural raw taste of lemon, so I don't do this, but I do know people that do use this in it. And yeah, once you're done drinking that, you can just refill that glass all day long and you'll have homemade lemonade, and trust me you guys, it is just so good for you. Did I mention that lemons are so good for you? They are just packed with vitamin C and have so many healthy benefits that everyone definitely needs. We have reached the last thing, and that is to make homemade iced tea. Iced tea is something I had my whole childhood. Now that I've gotten older and I actually look at the nutrition facts behind the products that I'm eating, I noticed how much sugar is in iced tea. I just can't believe it, and ever since I saw that, I have just stopped drinking it because of how much it shocked me. I love tea, and what's better than iced tea? So once again, what I like to do is take my favorite tea. I have showed you guys this in other videos, and this is green tea. Each of these things in this tea has so many healthy benefits. First of all, if we just start off with the base, that is green tea. Green tea has just helps promote your hydration, has antioxidants, it can help you lose weight. So green tea on its own is amazing. Then on top of that, there is ginger, which is just amazing for your digestive system and just helps improve your gut health. Finally, peach. Peach iced tea is my favorite, but once again, there is just so much sugar in there. So when I found this tea, I freaked out. I found this on Amazon, so it's just so convenient to have it dropped off right in front of my door the next day after I ordered it, because I do have Prime. So when I'm craving something sweet in the middle of the day, but I know that supper is coming up, so you know, I don't want to necessarily eat something to of course also save on those calories at the end of the day, what I'll do is have this tea because it is sweet, but there is 0 sugar in it. The ingredients are green tea, ginger root, natural peach flavor, and matcha. That is it, and it is really sweet. What I'll do is just steep this into some hot water for say 5 minutes. Then I'll just transfer that into a big mason jar, put lots of ice, and fill it up with water. If you do want it to be a little sweeter, of course you can go ahead once again and use the liquid stevia. But yeah, drop that unhealthy sugary iced tea that you buy from the grocery store and make your own at home that is so many healthy benefits for you and that has no sugar at all. that's it for today's video. I really hope this video will help you guys out in your weight loss journey. If you have any swap ideas, leave them in the comments below for myself and everyone else to see. Let's all help each other out in this journey. We are all in this together. It is definitely not an easy one, so yeah, let's just go ahead and support each other. Also, let me know if you want to see a part 2 to this. I have so many different other ideas to share with you guys. I just didn't want to bombard you with like 30 different ones in one video. Like this video if it did help you out, and of course subscribe to my channel to see all my future videos. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll just catch you guys in the next one. Bye!